Uh, Good morning, everyone who's seeing this video. I'm recording this in the morning, and the topic is can you brute force a BTC wallet or not? And if not, why? So let's go through this blog which I have written. So yeah, I'm Manas, and let's see whether we can brute force a Bitcoin wallet or not. So Bitcoin uses 32 bytes of data to store the private key. Now that is nearly 256 bits because 32 into 8 it's 256, and that is total number of data that is used to store the private key. Now if we go to the number of possibilities, that is a very large number, as you can see, and before trying 1% of this you will die, that is for sure. Now also by this way you can't get the private key. Now let's try the other way around, that is getting the uh, private key by using the public key. So yeah, that is also not possible because of the algorithm, because the algorithm is one-way function. You can derive the public key by the private key, but not the private key by the public key. So the brute forcing the BTC wallet, Bitcoin wallet, is nearly impossible. This is the conclusion. But suppose you want to still try and get lucky, like it's nearly 0.00001% of chance that you may find a wallet with funds. But yeah, you still want to try. I have developed a script which you can run. I will go through that too. That is called Satoshi Cracker. So basically you need to clone the repository. This is the repository. I will put the link to Satoshi Cracker. Now in this you have requirements.txt. So first you need to configure the env variable, that is email and password. Email is your this is my test email, so I'm using that. You can use your email just for notifications. It will help, like from this email ID it will send the email to whichever ID you put in main.py, like this receiver mail. It will send the mail when it finds something. And yeah, just pretty usual things. Install the requirements, and since like this is a fast API server, you can run it on Render on free service, and it will for all 30 days it will operate and try to find something. But like, to be frank, I have running this from 3 months, but I haven't found anything, not a single email I have received, so I have not found anything. So let's go how you can run this. So first need to set the environment variables, that is email and password. So yeah, basically you need to just clone the repository. Everything you will sorry for the distraction. Yeah, so you configure the email and password in the .env. Then in main.py, let me explain. I will explain some of the things what is happening. So first we are initializing that email password, receiver email. In it, this is for Colorama because I want nice CLI colors. Just for that, you can either use or you cannot use SMTP server because I am using Gmail. So smtp.gmail.com, and the port is 587 for the Gmail. If you use TLS, so yeah, I'm logging and doing all the stuff here, just ready to send the mail. Then let's go how the this addresses are generated. Now just to inform you, this is the compromised private key that I use for testing. Now what I'm doing is I'm generating a private key by this generate private key function. What it does is randomly pick 32 bytes of data by using os.u random. Okay, so we get random private key, we get our private key basically. So in this, basically there are two type of public key. One is compressed, one is not compressed. And also by public key you get derive the address of Bitcoin wallet for that particular private key. So there will be like key generated for public key and compressed public key. Now Bitcoin uses two types of address basically. Mainly one is legacy one, that is was used when it was developed, and second is SegWit, that is new. So basically we need to check both the addresses. So for one private key we get 4 addresses to check, and like the algorithms and all are imported from library. As you can see, this is first is doing hashing, then again hashing and converting it to 160 bits. That is like the standard protocol of Bitcoin, and like checksum and all those stuff. I'm generating 4 addresses basically, and then when I generated all the addresses, then I'm getting the information by using get address info. I'll show you this function too. So basically I'm calling the API, giving the address. I'm using time.sleep because if you hit too frequently less than this, it will block your request. Okay, and if you do is like 5 or 6, it will not block. No, like it will not block anytime. Now when you get the return, if the it is success, then it will like check this total transaction and all. Like suppose a query request get failed too, that's why it will check that transaction log and all those stuff and print it. Now display log. Display log is some again like it will get the information. Basically in the first one we are just it will print the transaction is there, not their balance and all. The second one will do a more rigorous like printing, like this much is there, this much is there, and this transaction happened and all. Wait, I will show you. Yeah, as you can see, address type, what is the address size, compressed or not compressed, and all those stuff, just for displaying. And this is like more I would say more detailed one. So basically I don't if basically what I'm doing here is, if no transaction is there, I should get like no transaction no transaction has happened. So that is what display log is doing. This is only for if the transaction is there. Okay, now if the transaction is there, you will certainly save it to CSV. This is that what it is doing, saving to CSV. Now let's go to this function, save to CSV. Now save to CSV function is saving to CSV also, plus sending the email with all the details. It is also saving into a CSV file just for backup, and it is also saving all the details and sending all the details to you. Like I have configured that SMTP server, and then it is send SMTP server.send message, and that is what it is doing. And now then this all logs and all, that this one key pair is completed, and yeah, that is the stuff. So this is main loop start script. Now how this is operate, and we are doing while true because we want to operate it infinite. Now I will show you the server. The server is a simple SMTP simple fast API server, which is just starting the bot. Whenever the server is started, it will, for lifetime, it will just run the bot, and that is what it is doing. So that the server we can host this thing on render on free services, and not like basically for free services. On free services we want to host. That's why I made this fast API server. This is all. Maybe I will show you the running part too. I think I have a source. No, I will run this. Okay, what is the issue? Okay. Uh, so password is I removed it. I will again make the password new password. Let's do it now only so that just a second. So that if you people don't encounter any error with accounts. This is my testing account, so if you hack it, I don't care. It will always ask for password. Do it too. Demo DOS. Create copies. Done. Make sure you remove the white spaces. That is for security, not the password. Done. Let's start it now. Here. And here goes our Python server. It will start pinging. It will one address is reached. It will ping it. Here goes the second address. Here goes the third address of segment, and the fourth one will come to. No transactions found. So this is it will. This is how it will do it. And it's for demonstration purpose. If you have any questions, you can ping me, email me at manus@retroxsignmanus.xyz, or you can raise a GitHub issue, or you can contact me via LinkedIn. I'm open to all the you can contact me anywhere. I will respond. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you liked this demo, which was a bit different. Thank you.